Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption online with friends. First, launch the game and select Online from the main menu. You'll need to complete the initial online introductory missions, like Honor Among Horse Thieves, before you can freely invite or join friends. Make sure your friends are added to your platform's friend list, whether it's PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, or Rockstar Social Club, to easily find them in-game. Once you're in free roam, press left on your D-pad to open the player menu. From there, navigate to the players option. You can then cycle through your friends list to find the person you want to invite. Select their name and choose Invite to Session or Join Session. To truly team up, form a posse by selecting Form Posse from the menu. You can choose a temporary posse for up to 4 players or a persistent posse for up to 7, which costs $200. With your friends in your session or posse, a wide range of activities awaits. You can tackle cooperative story missions, which are a great way to earn money and experience. Dive into competitive player versus player modes through the Showdown series, or simply explore the expansive open world. Hunt, fish, complete bounties, or even just ride around and enjoy the scenery together. The Wild West offers endless opportunities for shared adventures. For the best experience, use voice chat to communicate with your friends. It makes coordinating missions and just chatting much more enjoyable. If you play together often, a persistent posse is a worthwhile investment, allowing your group to stay together across sessions. Remember to experiment with different roles and activities to keep the game fresh. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. Have fun exploring the frontier with your crew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.